Hello guys, it's Clean Coder here, and today we're just gonna be doing a quick review as of what you get with the Skull Candy Push Active Wireless Earbuds. So when you open these, you'll get a manual that pretty much just says the controls that you get. You'll get the earbuds. What I got was the blue ones, so they're like green. They have green buttons, and it's like a green inside. And it's a little bit big. It's not like too big to where it doesn't fit in your pocket, but it kind of has to be a bit big due to the loops that you put around your ear. And the case does light up, showing you the battery life. Also, inside this compartment here, you get a user guide and removable ear tip, as well as, I didn't put this in the box, but you do get a USB-C to B or A, my bad, A charging cable. It's quite short, but it does a thing. You might want to get a longer charging cable if in certain situations, but otherwise this should be okay, but it depends on your situation. These wireless buds, they're not truly noise canceling, but they do reduce some sound, and they have the ability to allow some sound to get through using the two microphones. You have one right here, and then you have another one right here. And so those two microphones basically allow you just to pretty much hear stuff that's around you while you have the earbuds in. And so basically you'll just be hearing sound through the microphones. And you have the option to turn it off with the buttons, so you can do one press, you can do a long press, you can do two presses of the button, and then you can do three, or intersection, so three button presses for like quick gestures. So there is no swiping anywhere on here. Everything's through buttons, which are on both of the earbuds here. And when you pretty much charge them, there's no cable. You just put them where the contact pads are. So you put one in here, oops, and then you just put the other one in here. These do advertise at an estimated, I guess, 44 hours of battery life, with 34 being in the case right here, and 10 hours being in both of the earbuds, pretty much. And that's about it, pretty much, for this. I might be putting out a full review of this, because I haven't had it for that long of a time. But basically, that's it. If you like this short format of me just going over technology quickly, or like in a short period of time, just please say it in the comments, because any feedback right now really helps. And that's going to be it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.